All right, sum of multiples of 5 that are greater than 100 and less than 200. So what I did, I listed my numbers 105, 110, 115, all the way up to 195. And I just counted the number, and there were 19 of them. So that would be 1900. So I thought that was going to be enough for me to. So my it has to be greater than 1900. But I looked at my answers, and there's two of them that are greater than 1900. So that was 2850 and 3125. And so now I've already lost about 45 seconds because I thought that was going to work. So what I ended up doing was I actually added all the numbers up. I would have been smarter. See, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't guess it's too bad. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. So maybe if I'd put 6 in each one. But I added up each column, and it wasn't too bad. It got worse as you got over here because your tens digit got to be more, but it wasn't too bad. And then I just added up the sum of 0, 8, 4, 0. Where did I do that? Oh, right here. 1085 and 840 and 925 and 2850. And sure enough, that was the answer. I'll look for a formula, but I don't know one off the top of my head.